frogs are known as indicator species and can give scientists valuable insight to how an ecosystem is working. Because they are predators or prey, many animals are affected by them, so frogs are a good indication of the health of the ecosystem.
Frogs are amphibians which comes from the Greek language. Most frogs are born in water as tadpoles and change into frogs. These adults then born and live far away from water, such as on mountain tops. Frogs don't need to drink the way we do. They absorb water through their permeable skin. They are being hit hard since they are dependent on moist leaves, later found in cloud forest as a suitable place to lay their eggs. Frogs can be found on every continent in the world except Antarctica. However, the highest concentration of frogs is found in warmer tropical climates. In 1984, the North Pacific Fossil Convention stopped all commercial hunting. However, hunting by natives is still allowed in some areas.
Northern fur seals spend about half of the year out at sea. They sleep on their backs while floating along the surface with their fins sticking out of the water.
Due to population decline, the northern fur seal is listed vulnerable on the LUC and Red List. Northern fur seals are a depleted species under the Marine Mammal Protection Act.
Male seals can grow up to 7 feet long. Females usually grow to 4.5 feet long. Male seals can weigh up to 600 pounds, and females usually weigh up to 120 pounds. They live up to 20 years. The primary diet of the fur seal consists mainly of squid, protect, herring, salmon, mackerel, and anchovies.
Northern fur seals are found throughout the northern Pacific Ocean from Japan to southern California all the way up to the Bering Sea. Northern fur seals exhibit extremely different body sizes, males being 30 to 40% longer and more than 4.5 times heavier than adult females.
The green anaconda isn't the longest snake, but it is the heaviest. They can grow 550 pounds. A recently discovered fossil snake was 49 feet long, longer than a school bus. Snakes varies to exoteric by species. At up to 30 feet long, the python is the longest snake. At a musical 4 inches, the Barbados thread snake is the smallest. Loss and habitat destruction are two of the main threats faced by snake species.
The snake species are correctly listed as critically endangered, 27 as endangered, 40 as vulnerable, and 24 as near threatened. 4 species of snakes are classified as endangered under the Endangered Species Act.
In captivity, some species will live as long as 50 years. Snakes are found throughout the world. Sea otters and other wildlife by adopting a sea otter today at a wildlife adoption center. Take action to help save sea otters at SaveSeaOtters.org. Live in California. Learn about the California Sea Otter Tax Check to give money to the California Sea Otter Fund.
The heaviest member of the weasel family, the sea otter is also the second smallest marine mammal. Sea otters have the thickest fur in the animal kingdom, ranging from 250,000 to a million hairs per square inch, which insulates them and maintains warmth. Unlike other marine mammals, the sea otters do not have a layer of blubber to help keep it warm.
Every year, defenders of wildlife organize and promote sea otter awareness week to teach people about the important role that sea otter play in the nearshore marine ecosystem and to promote research and conservation programs.
Sea otter mainly eat urchin, abalone, mussel, clam, crayfish, snail, and about 40 other species. Sea otters eat about 25% of their weight in food each day.
The sea otter historic range stretched from Japan along the coast of Siberia and the Aleutian chains and down the Alaska reaches, Colombia, Washington, Oregon, and California coast, the Baja California. Currently, sea otters can be found in California, Washington, Alaska, Canada, Russia, and Japan. California sea otters are 4 feet tall. Northern sea otters are slightly larger. Females weigh 45 pounds. Males weigh 65 pounds. Northern sea otters can reach up to 100 pounds.
Orangutans have thin, shaggy reddish brown hair and long, powerful arms with strong hands that they can use to use tools. Orangutans are creatures who like to live alone. Adult males live mostly alone and only come together with females to mate. Adult females live with their young. Sometimes adults will live with other adults for short periods in small groups.
Orangutans are the only great ape to live only in Asia and are one of the 4 species of great apes that are the closest living relative of humans. An estimated 19,000 to 25,000 orangutans live in the wild. Another 900 live in captivity. Orangutans are only found on the islands of Sumatra and Borneo in Southeast Asia. Adult males weigh between 100 and 200 pounds, and adult females weigh between 65 and 100 pounds. Most orangutans are 4 to 5 feet long. Some can reach a length of 6 feet. They have an arm spread of about 5 feet.
Rhinos are found in parts of Africa and Asia. Rhino habitat ranges from savannas to dense forests in tropical and subtropical regions.
Rhinoceros are the largest land mammals after elephants. There are 5 species of rhino, 2 African and 3 Asian.
Both species have 2 horns. Asian rhinos include the Indian or great one-horned rhinoceros and the Japan with each 1 horn and the Sumatran which has 2.
Some cultures believe that the powdered rhino horn will cure everything from fever to food poisoning.